Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. Thank you so much ENVOME for sponsoring this video. Today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing instant Rava Idli, also with only 3 ingredients. What are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Take a pan. To that add 1 cup of medium rava, that is normal upma rava. Dry roast it until slightly golden or for 3 to 4 minutes on medium low heat. This looks great. Transfer the same to a bowl. To that I am adding 1 cup of curd, same measurement as rava, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and rest it for 15 minutes. Okay, this is how it looks after 15 minutes. Add half a cup of water. And mix it thoroughly. Okay, you know what? Just use your hands to get it fine. Okay, looks nice. Now to an idli plate, add a teaspoon of oil. Grease, grease, grease. Now let's fill in the batter. Place it in the cooker and steam it for 15 minutes. Okay, let's check. Oh wow. Also, a tip to get idli clean out of the plate is let the idlis rest in the cooker itself for 10 minutes after switching off the stove and then check. Exactly my point. And the instant rava idlis are done. Have it with chutney and enjoy. Also, a small reminder on giveaway I'm running on Instagram collaborating with ENVOME. Please check it out. I will link it below in my description box. Thank you so much and I'll be joining you guys in my next video. See ya!